Hey lovely people, Couponer Crystal here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I've got some exciting news about Ibotta and I want to share it with my lovely people. Alright guys, so a little over 2 weeks ago, I received an email from Ibotta and this is what it said. Save money, get rewards. You're invited to join the Ibotta In Crowd, a free and exclusive club that rewards you for saving money. The more you save, the more rewards you'll get for elevating your status. So Ibotta is implementing a new rewards program and they're selecting who they want to participate in it. Once I got the email, they offered a place for me to sign up within the email by putting in my email that's attached to my Ibotta account, and I did that and I immediately signed up because anything pertaining to Ibotta, I'm on it. Okay, it's free, it's not costing you anything. Now how it's working is 3 levels, so let's talk about the levels. The first level is called the Insider. You're in on the secret. Insiders get exclusive deals just for signing up. Keep earning and you'll become a rising star. Now with the rising star, you're one step closer to celeb status. Being a rising star means getting extra perks like a $10 new status bonus, a birthday bonus, and other exclusive offers. Then they have the icon. The view is better from the top. As an icon, you'll get a $30 new status bonus, $5 for every $500 you earn, special giveaways, and more. Joining the In Crowd, you get an exclusive Ibotta community group that you are able to join. It's for the Ibotta In Crowd members to chat, learn, and get special perks. When you join the Ibotta In Crowd, you will get a monthly reward choice. You get to choose the reward that works for you each month to save even more money. I'm super excited about these 2 things. They have the birthday gift where they celebrate your special day with bonus cash from Ibotta. And they've got the Ibotta-versary bonus. Commemorate your Ibotta-versary with extra cash back. That actually just hit my account a couple of days ago, I think on the 1st. Now, this was very interesting. They have the earnings milestone bonus. You celebrate your big milestone moments, get a $5 bonus for every $500 you earn, and they're going to have special giveaways. The odds are much better when you're an icon. You get an entry into exclusive giveaways just for you and your fellow icons. All right, lovely people, what do you guys think about the new reward program with Ibotta? It's in that testing beta mode, so I hope that you all got an invitation as well. Let me know in the comments below of the video if you did. If you're excited about this, I surely am. I will keep you guys informed about it as I do my Ibotta hauls. I will update you guys with the status and anything extra that I find out about the program. I will be sure to keep you guys in the know because I have to tell my lovely people about this, okay? So let me know, guys. I want to know, did anybody get it? Maybe you got the email and you don't realize it. You need to go to your search for your Ibotta email that's attached to your Ibotta account. Go to that email, go to the search, type in Ibotta and see what comes up and see if you guys got this email as well. And maybe you just didn't notice. I don't know, but I'm curious to see because if you guys do Ibotta as much as I do Ibotta, surely you got an invite too. I don't know, but that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. And that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.